Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to take a picture in full screen on iPhone. First, what you want to do is open up your camera. But once you're there, as you can see, I have mine like this, so it's not full screen. So if you want to make it full screen, just swipe up on the bottom right here to reveal the settings or menu. Then just tap on the 4:3 icon right there or option. And this will pop up, and just tap on the 16:9. And as you can see, it will widen the picture or your screen. So if you go back to 4:3, it will look like that. But when we go to 16:9, it will widen up. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.